Automotive Repair. We're out in Heath, Texas. We got Jason Head's Mercedes GT63 out here. In one of our other videos, you had some short clips of us putting on some of the parts that we had color matched. On his grille, these used to be chrome. Went back and painted them all gloss black, including his front emblem here, just to kind of give it that mean all black look. Had the emblem up here that was chrome, went back, color matched it as well. Since he brought it to us, he actually went and put a set of 22-inch Bostons. These are going to be 22 by 10 up front, 22 by 12 in the back. Kind of got that black and red going with the calipers and the center cap. Then his handles were chrome up on the top. We had those all painted to get that full black look. And then we changed out his emblems on the back. That's where he's got the black AMG, black Mercedes, and the black GT63 emblems back here on the back. After we got done with it, he took it over to another shop, had it lowered down, had some turbos put on it. Jason's got some nice cars, and this is definitely another one of the nice ones that he's had. All right, so on to the next one. This is a 2022 F-250, belongs to Evan Stokes. He brought it to us whenever it was still factory lowered, you know, the factory height. He brought it to us for some color match work. We did the backing to the grille, left his grille here the same chrome look, did the pearl white on his emblems in the front, same thing with the chrome look. Front bumper, we did a full smooth and paint on it. All these plastics were originally black in texture, so we took all these out and had them all smoothed out and painted to match. Came with a four-wheel drive Valance that was actually a lot lower. We put a two-wheel drive on it, that way you can see some of the suspension work up underneath. Make our way around here. We did the fender emblems, color matched the base of it to match the body, same thing with the chrome look. Full color match and smooth on his mirrors with the chrome cap. After it left our shop, he went and had a set of 28 by 16 JTX forged wheels on a set of 40s installed, a 15-inch wicked lift, all powder coated. Then back in the back, we took his tail lights. He had an idea, he wanted to paint the outside white, smoke the inside, and then do the blind spot the same pearl white as well. On the rear bumper, same thing as the front, completely painted. All these used to be black. They're all smooth now, including all your trailer plugs. Everything else is all smooth as well. His oval badge, same way as the front, got that chrome and the pearl white look. Tailgate handle was smooth and painted. And overall, it turned out to be a really nice looking truck. All right, so that's it for today. We went over Jason Head's AMG GT63, went over Evan Stokes' lifted F-250, and that's all we got for today. We got some more coming up, trying to catch up on some of the videos. We haven't put these out in a while, just due to holidays and kind of getting ramped up for 2022, but keep following us, keep watching, liking, sharing. We greatly appreciate each and every one of you, and we'll see you on the next one.